See, a simple 2D array representation. We will show you how to print a 2D array. We will show you how to insert this info on the 2D array, and then we will show how to multiply a 2D array. And first of all, let's just go and start off with a basic 2D array. What is a 2D array and how are we going to show it? Print it. So, as 1D array, first of all, just give a basic 1D array with int here. See, this is a simple 1D array having one dimensional of values. Now we want 2D array, right? A 2D array will now have a basic two-dimensional, which basically it can go by row by and column wise. Okay, so it will take inputs via row and then column. This comes in handy whenever we're talking about, for example, let's say game making. It comes very handy. It comes in like grid in backtracking. In backtracking, we are trying to like when there's a graph or a grid given to us, and we have to traverse the maze. It's done through 2D array. So this is basically a 2D array, and now I want to show you how you're going to get input into 2D array. Let's just so each I equals here less than 5. Let's say let's get 3. For example, it's a 3 row, 3 by row, and three. It's a 3 by 3 2D matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns, right? So, and also, don't worry, I will also have a complete CCC or C playlist on my YouTube channel as well. I will upload it later on. I will go via part one by one, and then entire everything you explain. So I'm not going to explain the loops here. It's basically a simple for loop. It's basically and I will explain it when I will do a complete playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So I'm just gonna go and directly just give you the context of 2D areas, okay? So it's a first basically now. Basically gonna take input, user input for a 2D array. Just right here, enter the elements for an 2D element, and then this is basically this will allow the user to input an array. This entire thing will work 9 times, basically 3 times for row, 3 times for column, 3 by 3. It will go 9 times. Okay. Then we will basically just do a simple print loop. Just go here and print the same loop here. Now it's send. It's see out. Just to print the this will basically print the error. This let's run this code. My PC will take a little bit time, it's very slow. And now it's asking enter the elements for an 2D array. Right? So let's say I enter 1, 5, 7, 9, 4. This input process will go 9 times. 3 by 3 as I said. 3, 2, 7, 12, and it's basically print in the 2D array, but it's not done in a basic formation, right? As you all know, it's a 2D matrix has a formation, like it has goes row by row and column by column. It's not in the formation of row by row and column by column. So let us go change this. We just do this by placing one and album out. Simple. Now this will give us printed in a proper fashion. Let's run the code again. Last one, 3, 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 12. Right. Now it's printing in a much more, it's a like actual printing like 1, 3, 12, 4, 6, 9, 2, and the 4, 6, 9, 2, 5, 12. Right? It's still not in like a proper format. So for us, we will basically it's a little, yeah, and then add a little space to it, and now it will be much more representable and print better. This is basically this is a simple 2D array and a printing of a 2D array. Okay, wait, let me show you as well. Okay, now this is a much more representable and a proper format of a 2D array, right? So you can see 1, 5, 12, 6, 8, 4, 3, 9, 5. Okay, now perfect. This is basically a simple 2D array. Now our main function is a multiplication of a 2D array. So first, let me go and show you. This is basically two by two matrices. Now how do we multiply to the two matrices? It's basically we take the row of the first matrix and then we multiply it with the column of the second matrix. Let's call this matrix A, call this matrix B. The row of the first matrix getting multiplied by the column of the second matrix. This will give it to you, and then sum it, sum the result. So this will basically go 1 multiplied by 3, which is 3, 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2, 3 plus 2, which is 5, right? And then again, this will multiply with this column, right? You can if you have coded a little bit in your life, then we can figure out that this is a simple loop going on in which the element is changing from the row and then to the column. So it's changing from row and to the column, row and to the column, row and to the column. So this is how we will build our line. And then just let me add this one as well, like 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Then 5 divided by 3, 15, 7 divided by 1, 7. 15 plus 7, 23. And then again, 5 plus 2, 10, 7, 7, 7. So 10 plus 7, 17. This is our 2D matrix multiplication. This should be our result. This is the input we will get to it, and this will be the result we want to get. Okay, so now we are going to implement this in our code. Okay, wait a minute. So now let's work on the building of multiplying of 2D. Okay, so let's just this. Now let's take it as A, as we did again. And 3. I'm also going to take a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's just take it 2 by 2, but we don't want to give it. And then I will also show you by giving the raw instead of like user defining raw and columns, I will get the user to give input to the raw and columns. So you can you understand this in every single way possible. So 2 by 2 A and 2 by 2 will be. So first thing, I go and the elements for array A. And array A ends with 3, let's make it 2. 3, let's make it 2. Paste it here. The elements for and also try to and nations like handle here as so the loop doesn't get stuck here. For example, like your input of for A and then the text for the elements for B, it will come to. So it's better like show this and then again handle here. Now this will do. Now we have to implement the multiplication. There will then multiplication. And we will also, for that, we will also need a new array or any to call it anything. I'm gonna call it multi because we're gonna multiply it to, right? Try to, it's better, it's a good practice to give it a bigger, like, memory instead of saying like people. So, the man business for any error, made like cheese, this is fun. Give an error that is one. So, okay, so now we just take null and I and shape, and if we write it, it's zero. It in fashion because of basically entire arrays right now filled with zero from multiply. That's the new array we are going to multiply it and then these thousands. Now another we are going to start another loop. A new loop here. So there is K. K is a different iteration. Here it will basically what it will do is it will K identifies the person who write this code and then going to write this column and it's gonna take this code again same like this column. It's doing the same thing here, taking the K into incrementing. I will do the same, but we'll take the first column, then change the next column, and then we'll change the next one. Multiply. See, A and B are both being multiplied together here. This is what is showing. Okay, and this is the multiplication. Then now what we will do is this everything that we multiplied is going to get stored in the null array. So now we have to print the null array. Now it wants us to actually elements what we starts with main and then 1257 is there, right? So 1, 2, 5, 7, right? And now it wants us to enter element from B. Just 3, 2, 1. 3. Giving so, had made one mistake, which was to add a plus sign here. Now, why did I add a plus sign here? As I was saying, when this row is being multiplied by this column, there was a summation also happening, right? When 1 multiplied by 3, it was 3. Then when 2 multiplied by 1, which was 2, which basically, and we came here 5. Basically, we summation this. This is the result that meant here, right? We also did a submission. We not only made it, we also did a submission here. And that's why we use a plus equals to sign. Now, what's a plus equals to sign? Like, I have got a plus equals. I mean, what do you mean plus equals? That's a very weird statement, right? But let me explain to you. Simple is again, if I write A plus equals A times A. This basically means A equals A plus A into A. When you apply BODMAS, you don't have to apply the brackets here. The C++ compiler follows the BODMAS rule. It will already multiply the bracket himself, and then it will add A and plus the into A, and then equal it, assign it to A. This is basically what's happening here. A plus equals to A, and this is what's happening. And again, let's we will run the program. We will provide the same equivalence we did in it, which was 1, 2, 5, 7, 4, 8. Right, first 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. So guys, I was doing one mistake. Basically, I in the error B, and when I copy pasted it, was instead of B, it was still written A, right? It was written A here. That was the problem. It was something. Instead, we will write it B because you are going giving the elements to array B here. So this is the problem. This is the problem now, and then the code is finished. I hope. My bad. I hope there's no error here. Now the code will run smoothly, I guess. I hope. Run in 5.7. Run 5.7. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's 5 code into 17, which there is. But at 5 into 17, so this is also right. Yeah, this is a guide essentially the P2D error representation, printing, multiplication, thing. What we are exactly, please, squares, so take the